Hello, class. Thank you for joining me again on this debate. This is debate whether marijuana should be legalized and decriminalized or not. The opposing side claims that it should not be legalized and it should not be decriminalized, while the affirmation is claiming that it should be. Overall, in this debate, it is easily seen that the opposing side has won due to the fact that they have brought about much more research and much more facts within the debate, rather than just saying what everyone thinks, rather than just giving real evidence and real facts towards it. The negative side wins due to several facts in terms of how the affirmation claimed that it's just not as bad of a drug as other drugs, when in reality this is kind of just a biased statement and it's not really factual, due to the fact that it's still a drug and it is still bad, depending on how bad it is compared to other drugs, sure, but it is still a drug that can cause problems. The negative gave clear examples of health issues, mental health issues, as well as injury that can be caused from using marijuana. Some of those include how it's disorientating. It disorientates your mind, which can lead to, if you were to operate a vehicle, can lead to car accidents, injury, even death. And on the health issues, it can also cause health issues, including lung disease if it is smoked or inhaled. It can also cause many mental health diseases, which can include schizophrenia. And the affirmation also claimed that it is not an addictive drug and that anyone can stop at any time, but it still has addictive tendencies, and that in some cases people have created a dependency on it. And so this would still make it an addictive substance. Even if it's not addictive as others, it's still addictive. Just like it's not as bad of a drug as other drugs, it's still a drug. Overall, the negative gave much better facts and much better research. You can see they're clearly more passionate about this and they're more knowledgeable about it. Rather than just giving statements that everyone kind of already knows, they actually went more in depth and gave real research and real statistics on terms of what can actually be caused from marijuana. And another thing with it is how new research is becoming on it. We still don't even know all the side effects or all the problems that can be caused from it. Which means that some other problems could be found from marijuana that we don't even know about yet, and yet we're going to legalize it without really knowing entirely what can happen from it. So overall, the negative definitely gave a much better debate, and they won the argument over this. They gave much better research, much better facts, and it was much more impactful. Made you think a little bit more about what legalizing marijuana really would be and what it might cause, and what problems can arise if another substance is just deemed as okay. In reality, there's problems coming from it. There's already alcohol and tobacco, which is deemed as okay and legal, when in reality those still cause many, many problems, deaths, addictive tendencies, health issues, and marijuana would just be another one added onto that list. So yeah, overall, the negative won this debate. Thank you for joining, and we'll see you next week.